Alright. Clear all. Get this fucking garbage out of here. Jaden loves doing that. Let's take a look at our clues. God, these are so fucking cool, actually. Tire tracks. Geoanalysis. Or clear off? No, clues. Quick! I don't have much time, Jaden. We're gonna get the bad ending. Geoanalyze. Oh, I had to hold two of them. Nathan. Alright, quit looking at it. Come on. Analyze. Yep, they're tire tracks, alright. Probability?
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
Oh, sick car. How can I geoanalyze that? Throw that bitch up to nothing. We got Nathan. Alright, I got it. Select. What do we have here? The orchid. A symbol of innocence.
A common species. That doesn't help much.
Yeah, well, what if I geoanalysis?
The orchid
Gotcha!
is a common species.
You're
It can be
going
found at any
down.
farm shop.
Alright, well then what about this bad boy? Analysis. Computer. Enhance.
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
Geoanalysis. Computer.
There's
Cross-reference.
one origami store in town.
Gotcha. Okay, but what... There are no shops that can exist anymore that just sell one thing. You know what I mean? Like, if you're just selling fucking, I don't know, screwdrivers, it doesn't work. You're going to jail. You're going to... It's not going to work. Your business will fail. We're going to... Open. Oh, I got to hold both of them. What's that
8
pussy?
victims in the last 3 years.
He's been busy.
All boys, aged between 9 and 13.
Geoanalysis.
No signs of violence. The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight. No one notices anything.
Anything.
Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later. Drowned. In rainwater.
The killer is the rain. The killer is gone. Oh, hell yeah. Geoanalysis. We got him. Oh, wow. They are spread out.
Killer has a large comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base. This won't make the geoprofiling any easier.
We're fucked. So I'm guessing I already analyzed it? I don't know. Let's find out if I did or not. Please don't say everything you just said.
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Alright, well, next one. Bust that open. Open. Oh, right, both of them.
Always the same ritual. An origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found, which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned.
Epic.
Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not
Nathan.
a single lead to go on.
Absolutely Nathan. Analysis.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
Geoanalysis. Show me where he is. Never mind. Fascinating. Alright, well, get this shit out of here. What else we got? Environment, close. What about map? What about map? Oh, but hold on there, buddy. What about map? Alright, sure. Let's get out of here. Oh, fuck. Wow, his eyes look weird.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
I'm coming down!
I need to take some. I'm gonna faint if I resist.
Hang on.
I gotta hang on. I can beat this.
Ounce once.
I gotta have it.
I gotta have it. Exit. Let's not do drugs. Where's the bathroom? Because I don't know where the bathroom is.
Is everything alright, sir?
No. That the bathroom? Oh, well, that's not too far.
No one. No one must see.
No one. You fucking weirdo. I wonder what happens if I drop it. I don't even want to find out. Into the thing we go. Open. Finally, I can snort my... Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Did I do it? I think I did it. I am an hero. Is that our boy? My man. You're going to jail for a long time, Mr. Mars. You're a fucking piece of shit, scumbag, murdering fucker. Fuck sucker.
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marsh. Could you please tell him what happened?
You don't need to tell me anything. You're going to jail.
With my son Sean, we played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses, and when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars.
Exactly.
Every detail can be important.
Exactly. Oh, I looked at that
Must have been
clock.
About
It said 4:15, so okay, yeah, 4:15.
4:15. Yeah, that's it, 4:15. I remember exactly because I looked at the clock in the park when we arrived.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was
Like
wearing a coat.
Gray? Beige? Is that what beige is? Hang on. I kind of need to look up beige. Wait.
A black coat.
Fuck! Son of a bitch!
And a pair of pants.
Oh, I wasn't even looking. Brown? Green? Brown.
Brown pants.
I don't have internet, so I can't even look it up.
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing?
Look, I
Weren't
was
you
high as a
right by the
kite.
carousel?
To walk, stay curious. I can't remember.
I
Why
can't
would you
remember
not
exactly.
help
It all
me?
happened so fast.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
I searched.
I searched the whole neighborhood for him. I thought he couldn't have gone far.
Did Sean have any particular difficulties, Mr. Mars?
He was depressed as fuck.
Anything that might have caused him to run
He
away?
hated me. Yes, don't fucking lie to him.
Sean is a sensitive
He's
child.
a little bitch.
Our relationship has been a little difficult recently.
Everything okay at school?
No,
Any particular problems between you and your wife?
I don't have one anymore. Yes, don't fucking lie to him, asshole.
My wife and I have been separated for the last 6 months. But Sean would not have gone off without telling his mother or me.
All right.
Oh, you're going to
That's all the
jail.
questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Do you think the origami killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple of hours.
Not my problem. Not
what
my
if it is the
department.
origami killer?
Then he's dead.
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
Okay, that's reassuring. Well, I guess I'll go. Bye.
Did they find something?
Yeah, he's dead.
No, nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they? Do they think it's the origami killer?
It's still too early to say, but it is a possibility.
What happened, Ethan? How could you lose Sean like that? You should never have taken your eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park?
Pretty hard, apparently.
Why did you leave him, Ethan? Why? Wasn't it enough losing Jason?
Whoa! Oh! Oh! Ho!
Sorry. It's not what I meant to say.
Fuck you.
I miss him so much.
He's been gone for like a day. You're too clingy. Women, am I right? Why do they exist? Scholars have wondered for years. Why do women do anything? Ethan is one of these people. And so am I. Scott Shelby.